The gates serve as the entrance to the cavity and should be designed to permit the mold to fill easily. A cavity can have more than one gate. Gates should be small enough to ensure easy separation of the runner and the part, but large enough to prevent early freeze of polymer flow, which can adversely affect the consistency of part dimension. A variety of gate design and technique are shown in the video. Please keep watching the full video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. In this video we have featured the best gate design ideas for your home with photos. We hope it will be helpful for you in finalizing the gate design. You spend a lot of money on building your dream home, and an excellent front gate design is the first impression of your home, and that is why it is so vital that you choose the best front gate design that suits your budget, location, and the aesthetic of the entire house. Superior strength using steel gate in your front gate design is always an excellent idea if the security of your house is the most critical factor in the selecting the main gate design for your home. Steel gate is an anti-corrosive, and thus a steel gateway will last longer than a wooden gate or iron gate. Steel gates are usually flexible and it allows you to accommodate various design and pattern in the main gate design. Swing gates are a great option if you need extra security and have extra space for the gate doors to swing in motion. Swing gates can be installed with one gate color or two gate. Sliding steel gate are most commonly used. Sliding house gate design can have one or two door gates which slide on a rail. These are minimalistic gates which are very helpful in cramped up space where a swing house gate design mechanism is impossible. Often sliding gate doors can be automated. These are high-tech gates often installed in facilities that require high security and control on people's entry. Security gates have mostly automated gate doors and are operated by sensors. Key point of gate when finalizing a gate design. These expert buying tips will help you to make the right choice before you go to the store to purchase a gate. Measure the entry point where you plan to install the gate to ensure that the gate fits perfectly. Think that what you are expecting from your front gate design: security, style, durability, affordability, or all of them. Remember the location of the gate where you plan to install the gate. An exit gate's specification can differ from one at the entry point. Compare your gate design with other front gate designs. Compare it with iron gate, aluminum gate, wooden gate, or any other design pattern. Consider the advantages and disadvantages using an gate if you need one. Consider special coating on steel gate doors to prevent rust and environmental damage. You can take a break and not stick to the pre-made design. You can customize a gate design to meet your needs. You can choose from either a swing or sliding gate design. You can select a swing gate design if you have the space. If you don't have enough space to accommodate a single swing gate, go for a main gate design with two gate doors. Double gate doors are most practical if you don't have enough space. Steel is the metal that offers more flexibility than other metals and wood gates. You can also design your gate door design based on your preference, pocket, and taste. I hope that you like these ideas. At the end of the video, I again request to all of you, please hit on like button for YouTube algorithm If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. I am very thankful to all of those who watched the video till at the very end, because it is a great sport for me that we were watching my video till at the very end, which increased the worth of my YouTube channel. Thanks again.